Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to access and use the Samsung Galaxy Equalizer so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find the Settings icon right on your home screen or inside the app drawer, marked with a small gear symbol. Step 2. Next, once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Sound and Vibration option. Tap on it to enter the sound-related settings for your phone. Step 3. Now scroll down through the sound menu until you find Sound Quality and Effects. This is where Samsung stores its audio customization features, including the equalizer. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. On this screen, look for the equalizer option and select it. This will open up the equalizer settings menu where all the customization happens. Step 5. From here, tap on Custom to start manually adjusting the equalizer. You'll see several frequency bands that you can slide up or down. This lets you shape the audio exactly the way you like it, whether you prefer more bass, clearer vocals, or balanced sound. Step 6. If you're not sure where to start, no worries. At the top of the equalizer menu, you'll see several preset options like balanced, bass boost, smooth, dynamic, and more. Just tap on one to instantly change the sound style on your phone. Try playing some music while switching presets to hear the difference in real time. And that's it. You now know how to access and use the Samsung Galaxy Equalizer to get the perfect sound experience on your phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.